Located on the top of the toolbar, the Select tool allows you to pick, drag, rescale, and adjust annotations made on your document. Hold the Shift key on your keyboard to make it uniform in size. For triangles, you can adjust specific points, or holding Shift will change one of the angles to 90 degrees when making adjustments with another point. With the Select Annotations tool, you can select several items and move or adjust them at the same time. With the same tool, you can copy and paste annotations you've already made to the same page or different pages to save time from making them again. The hand tool helps to quickly scroll through your document. It's especially useful when you're using a touchscreen device.